Hey Android users, Google's earthquake alert system just hit the US, giving you seconds to stay safe during quakes. Could this save lives? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this life-saving feature. Google expanded its Android earthquake alert system to the US after detecting over 2,000 quakes globally since 2021. With 10 to 60 seconds of warning, it's a game changer for safety. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. The Android Earthquake Alert System uses your phone's sensors to detect ground shaking, sending data to Google servers to confirm quakes. If enough devices report movement, you'll see a Be Aware banner or a full-screen Take Action warning, giving you precious seconds to drop, cover, and hold before the shaking hits. Turning it on is easy. Open Settings, go to Safety and Emergency or Location, then Advanced, and toggle on Earthquake Alerts. Test the alert tone and prompt with the Demo button. To turn it off, head to Settings, Location, Location Services, and disable Improve Location Accuracy. This feature is now live across the US for Android users. This system could be a lifesaver, giving you critical time to see cover during earthquakes. With over 2,000 quakes detected globally, Google's tech turns your Android into seismic early warning tool. As natural disasters rise, could this feature set a new standard for mobile safety? Android earthquake alerts are live in the US. Head to Settings and enable it to stay prepared. Have you tried it yet? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Android's earthquake alerts in the US. Are you hyped for this safety feature or curious about its alerts? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.